Are you looking for a way to reset your forgotten password for Printify? If yes, then let me show you the easiest way step by step. Welcome back to Wake&Tech, and we are gonna learn how to easily reset your forgotten password for Printify account. First things first, launch open the Printify application on your smartphone and then make sure you are inside this login screen. In the login area, go to the bottom of the screen and look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Now it will take you to the Printify.com website where you'll need to enter your registered email address. Type down your email address correctly and then click on Reset Password. A password reset link will be sent to your registered email. Open up your email that you received and then click on the Renew Password button inside the email inbox. Select any one web browser and then this will guide you through the password reset page. On the next page, type in your new password you want to change to for Printify. After doing so, head over to the next field and write down a new password once again. Repeat the password, make sure that it is exactly as it is in the first field, and finally, click on the reset button and you'll then be able to reset your password correctly and quickly. Next time, while logging into Printify, type in your new password with your email address. Type in your new password whenever you are trying to log in and click login. And there you go. You have successfully reset your password on Printify. Your Printify account is now successfully recovered. Always make sure to use a strong password. Don't share your password with anyone. And if you used Google Login, try signing in with Google instead of resetting your password. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.